You are going to love the 2007 TL. The Acura TL is a strong choice for people looking for a mid-size luxury vehicle. Offering a typically spacious Acura interior, this car is loaded with high-tech features and receives top scores in crash tests and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, XM satellite radio, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.